Another really powerful area you get here with Bluebeam MAX is actually now the ability to connect Bluebeam directly with AI technology. Now, currently today, the only connector that is actually available is Claude, so by Anthropic. And so Claude actually has something called a MCP, Bluebeam has an MCP, and Claude is the interconnection into that MCP to be able to actually control Revu as if you were a person sitting in front of that machine using Revu. And so if I come in here and I'm making, some markups, I'm just going to draw them off to the right-hand side here. Maybe I draw a couple rectangles within this. So it's kind of hard to see right now because they're really thin. They're red, but as I'm coming in here, maybe I can create a text box. I say, sample text. So I have all these markups on this plan. What I can then do is when I have Claude and Revu connected, this is really powerful. So what I can do is I can pull up Claude and I can do this side by side here. And I can say, hey, Claude, using the MCP connection to Bluebeam Revu, can you adjust all of my markups in the stitching result PDF to blue instead of red? Then can you make my text blue also in any text markups? It might verify, within this. First, let me pull all the markups from Revu. So what this is going to do is it's going to analyze the PDF that's actually open. It might ask you to allow, which I can just say, hey, always allow, no problem at all. And it's going to go through and it's going to just verify, hey, do I have permission to do this, which I can always allow. And what you'll see there is within an instant, not only can it find the PDF, it can go through, it can change the color of your actual objects, and it also changed the text. So what you can see here is now I have blue text on a red environment, but also all my red markups, move to blue. What I can also do here is I can change the markup. So anything that you would specifically do, and this is one of the huge powers of supercharging Revu for your workflows, anything that you would typically do within Revu, you almost have the exact capability within the Claude integration here to go through and do that as well. One of the big things that is kind of a boundary right now with AI, but will likely improve in the future, is you can't create markups from scratch. And so when you're going through and you're doing certain commands or using certain tools within Revu itself, right now you can't be like, hey, draw a circle, draw this object, draw the shape, because it can't analyze what's not currently there, and it doesn't have the capabilities through the MCP protocol today to be able to do that, as far as I've seen and as far as I've worked with. But what you do have the ability to do is you can analyze and change and configure anything that is already there. And so what I can do is, can you also find all blue rectangles now and change them to red revision clouds and darken, increase the thickness to 3, not 43, 3. And so it might have you verify a couple of things again. It all depends on your specific setup. All right, so they found 2 square rectangles. It now changed those rectangles over to actual revision clouds. And then what it also did here is if I come in here and take a look, it actually changed those revision clouds to 0.3 within the markup capability as well. And so when I'm looking closer at this, I decided I don't like 0.3. Can we decrease it to 1? And in real time within there, now you can see side by side anything that you need to do across the board. Not only did that do that for this one, but what it also did here is when I take a look at Revu, it did that for all of them on my plan. And it can look at all markups and all revision clouds across an entire set of plans and PDFs. And so there's a lot of really cool prompts and tools that you can use within this, whether it's going through and saying, hey, for each author, can you change that author's markups to a unique color for each author? And what it'll do is it'll analyze the actual markups list, it'll analyze the tools, it'll analyze the markups that they've created. And as long as it's in a PDF like this that's editable, the reason I say that is because, this might be limited within a session with multiple active users working on a plan, because you only have so many markups that you can actually edit. But as long as you have a PDF open and downloaded within this, you can go through and use this almost as if you are a person sitting there using it within the plan itself. Super powerful, super awesome, super supercharged ways of using Revu now with AI, with Anthropic, and be able to use that however you need within your PDF set for markup capabilities.